you look at that...
Just days after President Donald Trump announced sweeping tariffs, which shocked global markets, some of the US's allies, like the European Union and Japan, were among those hardest hit, with 20% tariffs or more. But which countries were emerging as potential winners in Trump's trade war?
We will impose a 25% tariff.
Rivals from Brazil to Egypt to Turkey see a silver lining. They could provide trade opportunities, while other countries are hit by much larger US levies. Brazil not only escaped with the lowest, quote, reciprocal tariff of 10%, but the agricultural giant could also benefit from China's retaliatory tariffs, likely to hit US farm exporters. Egypt, too. A garments manufacturer there said Trump's move gives the country, quote, a very good opportunity to grow. That's as industry competitors Bangladesh and Vietnam, which both run big surpluses with the US, await 37% and 46% levies. And Turkey, whose iron, steel and aluminium exports took a hit from earlier US tariffs, now also stands to benefit as other global traders endure even higher tariffs. Despite a tariff of 26%, India is looking for opportunity in its Asian rivals' greater misery. According to a government report shared with Reuters, the sectors where India can gain US market share include textiles, apparel and footwear. India is also hoping to gain a bigger share of Apple's iPhone manufacturing from China because of the tariff differential. But the 26% tariff could still make the phone substantially more expensive in the US. Ultimately, however, the risk of a tariff-induced recession will limit the upsides for any international trader. Reuters Econ World podcast host Carmel Crimmins.
When the US economy suffers, everyone suffers. So, relatively speaking, there may be some winners, but in absolute terms, everyone's a loser.
The latest US tariffs came into effect on April the 9th.